Hello folks, you might remember a few days ago I did a really short video looking at this rather tatty example of a spectrum, saying should it be cosmetically restored, or am I destroying the history of the machine by getting rid of all the bumps and scratches and things? And the overwhelming response was no, clean it up. And you know what, I wholeheartedly agree. So I've not decided how I'm going to clean it up yet. It's certainly going to need a new faceplate and it's going to need a new rubber mat. But I don't know if I want to go further than that and change the entire case as well. Quite fancy the idea of doing that, but before I order any sort of parts, I think I need to take a look inside and power it up and do some electrical work to make sure if it works, it stays working, or if it doesn't work, we can resolve that as well. So yeah, let's crack it open and have a look. What have we got? An issue 5? Is that? I've never seen an issue 5. Can't, surely not. Hang on. Let me look at it under some magnification. It's an issue 6A. So, quite late then. Okay, you know what? It looks really clean inside as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zip through. I'm just going to take some resistance checks. Make sure there's no obvious dead shorts, and all being well, I'll throw some power to it and we'll see what it does. Okay, so we're hooked up to an RF lead and a power supply, which I'll plug in a second. Let's give it a go. Let's see what happens, if anything. Let's try it. Trying to get some sort of picture. Let me try tuning. Oh, do you know, there's something there. It's almost there, that picture, but not quite. That's not uncommon for these. Okay. Yeah, do you know, it was doing its best to produce a picture, but we're just not quite getting it. So I think I'm going to perform a composite output modification on this. Very simple. Just take this top cap off without slicing my fingers open. They can be sharp. There we go. And this here, that is the signal, which is already a composite signal coming from the computer. And this is the 5-volt power supply for the modulator. So we need to remove the power supply, simply enough, and reroute this to the output. But I am going to do it via a 100 microfarad capacitor. So let's get the ball rolling. Just waiting for me soldering iron to warm up. and inside we've just got that little resistor. I just want to remove that. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's clip off this lead. I don't need it anymore. So, positive lead of the capacitor needs to go on the composite output of the board, which is in that hole, and the negative needs to connect to the center of this pin. So if I bend it like that, and a little bit of origami, there we go. I just want to make sure that that's out the way. So we can still get the case in, you see. So that's there. Solder that up. In theory, that should be all we need to do. So we'll try again, see if we can get a better signal. So this time I'm hooked up to the TV's composite video signal. Let's see if we get a better picture now. Or any picture would be nice. Yeah, wonderful. Do you know what, I've been so lucky lately with the machines I've picked up that they've all been essentially functional. That's fantastic. And that's a nice crystal clear picture. Okay, right. Well, that's good. Now I know it works. I'm happy to put a little bit of money into it. So I'm going to finish off the electrical work, and all that's going to involve is a recapping, because the capacitors that Sinclair fitted originally, they don't have the best reputation. And when they fail, they can take out other chips with it, notably the lower RAM chips, which are becoming harder and harder to find. So preventative maintenance, we'll call this. I'll recap it. I will tighten up the soldering on the ear and mic, because they tend to work loose, as does the power socket, so I'll just reflow that as well. clean up the voltage regulator and put some thermal compound in there. And that should be all this needs. And then I'm just waiting for new parts to arrive and we can get this cosmetically looking nice. Right, the board's been recapped, which I thought I was filming, but my camera packed up on me and it's lost the file. But anyway, you can clearly see it's been done, so made a nice neat job if I do say so myself. Apart from there. So let's get this heat sink off. Let's resolder these plugs and this power socket, and let's get some thermal paste in there. Do you know, while I'm at it, let's get in there with some contact cleaner. There. I'll just give the contacts a little clean as well on the edge connector with a... Yes, this is a pencil eraser and it seems to work quite well. So there we go. In terms of electrical restoration, it needed very little. So it's all recapped, it's all cleaned up, and it still works. And it looks like we've still got the original Sinclair crusty membrane on it, which I will replace. But just for giggles, I want to see if it still works. I wouldn't expect it to. Usually once you've unplugged it, that's the end of them, but let's have a go. Now, that's split already, right there. That's already going. So yeah, so it needs a new membrane. Right, the case itself, I mean, this faceplate is beyond redemption. And the keys are quite badly worn. So it needs a new mat. The plastic case itself actually seems okay. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. At the very least, it's going to need a membrane, it's going to need a new rubber mat, it's going to need a new faceplate. I don't know whether to go the whole mile and buy a whole new case for it and maybe get something in a slightly different colour. Do you know what? That could be interesting. So I haven't ordered anything yet, so I'll have a little look and I'll have a little think about that. But, oh, you see, this isn't even. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna order some parts and then once they arrive I'll be able to continue with this. But until then, I'm going to call an end to this video. We'll call it part 1. And I'll see you in part 2. I don't know when that'll be. It might be a while because I'll be waiting on parts, but I assure you I will get this finished. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please do take care of yourselves. Bye.